Let's find out how to add new fonts to Google Docs. Many organizations choose to use a different font than Arial, which is selected by default in Google Docs. Choosing the right font can help you set the overall tone of your documents and improve their visual impact. Google Docs comes with a few dozen fonts by default, but you can choose from hundreds more. Step 1. From the toolbar, click on the current font name, and then click More Fonts from the top. This will open a new window with other available fonts. Step 2. Use the filters to find new fonts or utilize the search bar to find a specific font. Step 3. Click on the fonts you want to add to your Google Docs. They will appear in the right side panel under My Fonts. Step 4. Once you're done adding new fonts, click OK. To remove a font from Google Docs, open the font menu from the toolbar, then click More Fonts. From the right sidebar, click the X button that's next to the font you want to remove from Google Docs. Click OK to save the changes. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.